In this particular question, there is a wedge C which is fixed. A block B is kept on it on the inclined surface of the wedge which has inclination 37 degree. Another block A is inserted in the slot of B. A light inextensible string passes over a light pulley as can be seen in the diagram. One end of the string is fixed and other end is fixed with the block A. Now S is a support on the incline. Now all the surfaces are smooth. Masses of A and B are said to be same. Now we need to find the acceleration of A and B. So here it is given that masses of A as well as B are same. Let us assume there is a tension T. So because of this tension, let us assume that this block A moves upward by an acceleration A, and A and B both move forward by the same acceleration A. As B moves forward, A goes up. So the forward acceleration of both the blocks to be same. Now if we draw the free body diagram of A and B and AB together, we can have on A there is a tension T, there is a force mg cos theta, where theta is this particular angle, and in horizontal direction we have along the incline mg sin theta. It is moving in this particular direction with acceleration A. So for this particular direction we can write T minus mg cos theta is equal to ma. This is one equation. Now for the wedge block system, the B and A block system, we have, because of this particular pulley, we have T tension in this particular direction. T is also in this direction. Down the incline we have forces mg sin theta and mg sin theta, and it has an acceleration A down the incline. So for this system AB, we can write 2 mg sin theta minus T is equal to 2 ma. So here from we have 2g sin theta minus g cos theta is equal to 3a, or a is equal to g by 3 2 sin 37 minus cos 37, or g by 3 twice of sin 37 is 3 by 5, cos 37 is 4 by 5. So it is g by 3, 6 minus 4, that is 2 by 5. If I put the value of g also, this is 10. So 10 by 3 into 2 by 5 meter per second square, that is equal to 4 by 3 meter per second square. So B is accelerating. Acceleration of B, that is equal to A, is equal to 4 by 3 meter per second square. Whereas A has two accelerations, one down the incline, another perpendicular to the incline. So acceleration of A is equal to under root A square plus A square, that is A root 2, or 4 root 2 by 3 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the block A in the slot.